Okay, so I'm about to roll these fenders, and to roll the fenders on my Lexus, I'm going to use this Eastwood Fender Roller right here. You attach it to the car down here, and then this pushes it out into the fender. Slide that piece around. I'll show you how that works. This roller actually rolls against your fender, and you want to have it like this, and then you move it closer as you go, and you go real slow, and then you heat it up before you do that with the Wagner heat gun that you can get at Home Depot for $29, and then I'll finish her off with a Eastwood Fender finisher. So let's get after it. Alright, next we're gonna take out the liner, take it all the way out, and then we will then clean the inside of the fender. You want to clean it. So we'll do that after that. Alright, just stick it right on there. Bolt it up just like you would the tire. These little things that it came with go on there. They're like little spacers, so that your lug nuts will go on there tight. Alright, next we're going to clean that little lip and take all the clips. We're going to take all the clips off of it and then clean it before we roll it, so don't push up dirt. So just got a little bucket of water here, a scrub brush, and just going to scrub it a little bit on the inside. Alright, well, my paint's chipped, but this paint's so bad on this car anyhow, I know I'm going to need to do... I'll probably do a wrap or something on this car. Try to wrap it myself or something. That'd be kind of fun. I can now lower it more, so I'll have to do that. But it's pretty flush. So I think it's going to clear. I think we're golden, so...